And just like that, I successfully procrastinated a website project that I need to finish by building the bottom end of a CR250. My cylinder came back from Millennium, replated, shiny, and ready for a fresh piston. I mixed a batch of Cerakote and sprayed my final batch of parts in this color, and take a look at how this cylinder turned out. First, here's our before view of that nasty scoring from the previous piston failure, and here is the cylinder after Cerakote and replating. If you are in need of cylinder services for your dirt bike, I would highly recommend Millennium Technologies. There is one spot on the cylinder I wish I would have coated a little more thoroughly, but thankfully that spot will be hidden behind a gorgeous Hyuga exhaust pipe. I reinstalled the power valve components and prepared to install a brand new piston from Wiseco. You can use the code KP10 on wiseco.com for 10% off if you're in need of some new engine components for your dirt bike. I checked the ring end gap, which was perfectly within spec, and installed the new top end. It's amazing how easily a cylinder will slide on when the studs are cleaned and polished instead of caked in rust. Now, you guys didn't really think this beautiful engine was going to be reassembled with these nasty old bolts, did you? A package from Fastmetric finally arrived with a batch of brand new zinc-plated hardware to provide some stunning contrast to this murdered out engine. Fastmetric offers engine and body fastener kits with everything separated and labeled to make your life easy, and they also offer these jumbo bolt kits that are incredibly helpful to have when building a bike or just as a large pack of spare useful bolts in the shop. Now I think it might be time to bring back the smooth jazz engine builds. Here it is, one gorgeous CR250 engine. I hope you guys are as pleased with the outcome of this as I am. Obviously a big reveal here. We've got a smart carb for this build. This will be my first time using a smart carb, and I am very excited to see how it performs. These carbs have tons of different benefits we'll talk about during the actual installation of this carburetor. But for one, you no longer have to deal with jetting. This carb is self-adjusting to altitude. Shout out to my guy Luke over at Phathead Racing for making the most beautiful cylinder heads around. Might just have to give this thing a try with a high compression dome and some race fuel. Thanks to everyone who entered to win this bike after the last episode. I told you guys I would select 3 people to win a bottle of medium strength and high strength thread locker from Stuck Nuts. And those 3 winners are Jack Lovely, Owen Middlecamp, and Ben Kinker. You guys will be receiving your Stuck Nuts soon, and I will have a link in the description to Stuck Nuts as well. A portion of all Stuck Nuts sales go towards keeping dirt bike trails both maintained and open. So guys, go get yourselves entered to win this bike. I'll be giving away some more parts and goodies throughout this build series. If you would like little sneak peeks you might not see on YouTube, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Let me know what you think of this engine in the comment section below. And now I really need to get back to work on that website. I'll see you guys next time.